Welcome. This is a 5-minute morning yoga stretch for the spine. So this will bring movement into the torso, into the spine, into the upper body, and get you started for the day ahead. We'll begin in a comfortable seated position, whatever works for you. And just begin to circle the neck. You can rock the head side to side, find a gentle circular motion. And then we'll begin to find some organic movement within the waist. So you can circle the waist, you can rock side to side, just feeling out all the clicks and ticks here. And we'll come back to center, sitting nice and tall. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards your left. Left hand to the mat, right hand reaches up and over. Inhale, reach the hands back up. Exhale, side stretch towards your right. And we'll continue flowing with the breath. So inhale, reach. Exhale for your side stretch. Continue moving at your own pace. On your next inhale, reach up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards your left. Inhale to sit tall. Exhale, softening the shoulders. Inhale the hands back up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards your right. And once again, just continuing moving with the breath, going at your own pace. No forcing here, just moving at your own ability. And we'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. When you're ready, we'll come to our tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop the belly, take your gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down for cat. We'll continue syncing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. On your exhale, go ahead and sit the hips back towards your heels, forehead or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Option to place pillows between the hips and heels. You can even rest the torso over a pillow or two for a little more height and support. Option to take the knees a little wider if that feels good too. Drawing the breath into the chest. As you exhale, softening the shoulders and the upper back, allowing the arms to be heavy, hands to be heavy. Drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back and side body with each inhale, so just allowing the waistband of your pants to get a little tighter here with each breath. And with each exhale, surrendering here, allowing the hips to be heavy, softening the feet and the toes. On your next inhale, we'll round up one vertebrae at a time. Take your time, let the head come up last. Resting your hands on your thighs, palms facing up. Take a moment here to give yourself some gratitude, a pat on the back for showing up to the mat today. Know that you are worthy of this time, and this space is here anytime that you need. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.